Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Since Halloween is right around the corner, I did this Halloween look. I tried to do a mermaid inside the wound, but the scales didn't turn out the way I wanted it to be. But if you didn't like the mermaid scales inside the wound, you can just leave it as a regular wound. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. So to start creating the wound, I'm using this latex zombie skin and I'm just dabbing it around the area where I want to cut the wound. And I'm just going to apply after that tissue paper over it and keep repeating this step over and over again until I create a thick layer so I can open the wound. Please be careful when using this latex, don't glue your hair just like I did. After this sets and it dries, please try to pinch away a little bit from the wound and then start cutting. You don't want to cut your skin, and please be careful when doing that step. To make the cut appear somehow natural, I'm using the same foundation I used on my face over the wound. Since I'm creating a very colorful eyeshadow look, I'm using the MAC eyeshadow primer. I'm applying the blue color from the Huda Beauty Electric Obsession palette over the crease. Next, I'm using the dark purple a little under the blue I just applied. To create the cut crease, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape concealer on the eyelid. So that the concealer won't transfer, apply it to the eyelid and then look up or around so you can get the guideline where the cut crease is going to be. Next, I'm taking the dark blue and applying it on the outer corner of my eyes. Next to the blue, I'm using the two shades of purple. After the purple, I'm using the medium dark pink. Last but not least is the yellow color on the inner corner of my eyes. Okay, so this might be confusing, but now I'm using a black eyeliner, and then inside of that I'm going to use a light blue eyeliner, and this is going to make it seem as if the blue eyeliner is outlined. So over the line where I created the cut crease, I'm going to apply some glitter. Moving on to the wound, I'm using the black eyeliner to draw in the scales of the mermaid. You can skip that part if you want to leave it as a normal wound. To make the scales look colorful, I'm using the same colors I used on my eyelid to fill them up. So since this didn't work out the way I wanted it to be, I'm going to outline the scales with glitter to make it pop out a little bit. Back to the eyes, I'm using the same colors I used on my eyelid for the lower lash line. To make my eyes appear bigger, I used the Sephora eyeliner in the shade number 7 on the waterline. For my lips, I'm using a nude color from the NYX Lip Cream in the shade number 4. To finish the look, I'm going to apply the fake blood over the areas that I covered with the two red eyeshadow shades from the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going to leave in the description box below all the products I used with the details. I hope you really enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video.